Mounting your Nanoleaf Shapes panels on smooth surfaces and walls is easy with the included mounting tape. But when it comes to things like ceiling installations or mounting on textured walls, you're gonna want to screw mount your panels for a more secure installation. Luckily, Nanoleaf panels already come with holes for screw mounting, so you don't need an additional mounting kit. All you'll need are some screws, anchors, a hammer, and a drill. Or screwdriver if you have the time, patience, and arms of steel. We'd recommend the drill. The first step is to mount your panels like usual using the mounting tape. This way you can make sure your layout is the way you want it and that the spacing is accurate. Next, carefully snap the panels off the mounting plate, leaving the plate attached to your surface with the tape. Mark the holes in the mounting plate with a pencil, then carefully pull the tape along the wall to remove the mounting plate. Drill your pilot holes into the marked points to install your anchors, then fasten the mounting plate to the anchors with the screws. Snap the panels back onto the mounting plate, connecting each with a linker, and your setup is secure and complete.